Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. Listen to the video and subscribe. Today's topic is Al Masjid Al Aqsa. The name Al Masjid Al Aqsa means the farthest mosque. This name has been given to this mosque because of its being at a considerable distance from the city of Makkah. It has another name, Al Baitul Muqaddas, or the Holy House. Its holiness is due to its being the first Qibla, direction of prayer. It is a silver domed mosque standing beside the temple of the Prophet Sulaiman al-Islam on the hill of Moriah in Jerusalem. Al Masjid al-Aqsa is the largest mosque in Jerusalem, which can accommodate about more than 5,000 worshippers. In accordance with the last wish of Hazrat Dawood al-Islam, his son Hazrat Sulaiman al-Islam started the reconstruction of Masjid al-Aqsa. He appointed jinns to carry all kinds of beautiful heavy marble and stones from long distances to use in the construction of the masjid. 30,000 workers, 1 lakh sculptures, and thousands of elephants and camels worked to construct this splendid masjid. This masjid was 784 yards long and 455 yards wide. 4,000 chandeliers were used to light it. It took 7 years to complete its construction. Hazrat Sulaiman al-Islam ordered his jinns to construct a building, and he stood with his staff in his hand to watch the progress of the work. While he was watching, he passed away standing. For a year, no one knew that he had passed away. When a termite ate up his wooden staff and it broke, he fell on the ground. May Allah protect this land. Ameen.